It's not funny. Okay, it's kind of funny. Kitty, kitty, kitty. She's right.
Okay, the cat is in the couch. We can't get her out.
How do we get her out? Oh my gosh. How do we get her out?
I'm recording.
Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh my gosh. How do we?
She's come on.
How do we get her out? Oh my gosh. I can't believe Daddy sat on her. Come on. Oh my gosh. Ow! Here, grab the phone. Here. Come on, get the dogs and put them in the kennel. Come here, doggies. Get the dog. Get Izzy and put her in the kennel. Izzy.
The cat is stuck in the couch right there and we can't get her out.
Should we call somebody?
Just try to open the couch.
I don't know.
Sit on it right there.
I'm so confused. Move.
She is stuck in the couch.
Oh. I think I just squished her. Kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm sorry, kitty. How is this possible? Just move, move. You're gonna squish the cat and she's gonna be dead.
As you can see, we have no idea how to get her out of this couch.
Oh my god! Ow!
Because there's like no...
There's like no opening.
What about right here?
Oh wow! Ow! Come on, kitty. I'm scared.
She's right there. Get her out.
Come here, kitty. Ow! Come here, kitty. I'm so scared. Come on, kitty. Oh my gosh. Kitty, get out. Do we have any tongs or something?
Tongs.
I need to grab her paw. Hey, go get me a pair of gloves or something.
Here.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.